Hi guys, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here today. You know it's a girl, it's a different thing, and I'm back with you today with another video. I would like to take the time out to welcome my old subscribers and also my new subscribers. If you're here for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, why not subscribe? Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video also with your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, hey, to come on over and be a part of this amazing family. Now today I am going to present a video to you, and it's with a young man from Jamaica, and this young man is doing great things. I just have two words to describe this young man: awesome and talented. So let me get myself out of the way and present the video to you, and I will see you at the end of the video.
Pliable and Solitex, and the plastic that you see here is the power energy drink, adrenaline power energy drink. That's the bottle that I used to make this, the blue bottle. And you can see the label of the drink right here. I get the bulbs from flashlight, and the wheel now I made it from the plastic pipe, and the tires I made from the bicycle tire. The music, I get a boombox circuit board and put in my dashboard, and can connect the phone to it. And the speaker now is in here for this one, and this one speaker is in the trunk.
So you're able to use the phone to drive the car?
Yes, sir.
And you're able to operate a sound system from out of the car?
Yes, sir. Or you get the phone to drive it. The music box, I connect the part where the sound comes out of it. And like when you start playing music, the speaker, the speaker always, it can go in or out. So when the music starts play on the speaker, I have a small speaker where when you go out, I connect a wire on it and put a long piece crossway, so when you go up, you connect to it. And then that is an electric switch that I create. The motor, for this one I get out of a remote car, but the wood is too heavy for it, so I have to upgrade it. I have to join two motors together and put two bigger magnets on it.
Until next time, guys, walk good, choose peace, take care of yourself. You know this girl is totally out.